Capitalism leads to imperialist wars and destruction. Workers have the potential of eliminating this with unity, solidarity, and communism. As capitalist economies grow, they accumulate capital. They face falling rates of profit as they compete to outsell each other, exhausting their current markets. Capitalist economies then need to expand to find new markets for investment, cheap labor, and resources. Capitalists search for higher profits in new markets. More powerful countries seek to control and exploit weaker ones, and this leads to imperialist wars. Capitalists create temporary alliances as they fight amongst each other while they exploit and divide the workers. Currently, superpowers US, NATO, Japan are in competition with China, Russia, Iran for market share as they prepare for imperialist war to protect and defend the capitalist system of wage slavery. Capitalists must force workers to tighten their belts at home to prepare for their constant necessary wars. Capitalists shift more money away from social services. To avoid revolution or revolt, they use racism, sexism, and anti-communism to trick, divide, and confuse us. While the capitalists form temporary alliances leading to greater death and destruction, communists struggle for international working class unity, for a system that eliminates wage slavery and uses our unity to create abundance to share. The international working class includes soldiers, students, service workers, and other allies. We fight against the capitalists every day. The capitalists need the workers and soldiers to fight and produce for them. The workers and soldiers need unity, solidarity, and communism. The working class has the ability to unite to be the gravediggers for capitalism. The main contradiction of capitalism is between the workers and the bosses. The main aspect of that contradiction today is the rivalry between the imperialists, which is leading to World War III. ICWP is fighting to turn imperialist war into communist revolution.